Can't believe we really wished to be adults. Like, I really cannot believe I wished to be an adult. Like, I cannot believe it. Unbelievable. Yo, things we wish. Shoo.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a go.
Hello, my kings and queens. Welcome back to my channel. Shami Kawega's on the go. I'm back again with another video. It's a Monday evening. I'm sipping on some wine. You should know that it has been a hectic day. Guys, retail is not for the faint-hearted. Retail is really not for the faint-hearted. But what can we say? Ijob usbali. Yeah, you look for a job. When you get it, you gotta face the consequences of the job. But yeah, I just want to have some wine so that I can have a good night sleep. So yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like, comment, and share. I'm just gonna finish up my wine and then play with my son for a while and then doze off because I have an early morning tomorrow. So.
This.
Yo. Naughty, stop it.
This is
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Bad man, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Wait. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
Oh my word, I need to top up on my face wash and my toner because it won't last me the whole month of March, so I need to top up that. My petroleum jelly, I'm still good. The lotion, I'm still good. The day cream, I am still good. Depending on my budget, I'll buy the serum, but if not, I'll have to just top up on the toner and the face wash. That's all. And my lifesaver is finished, guys. You have to get this. If you sweat a lot, you have to get this, please. So I need to also buy it this month, and it's $150 at Clicks, but I promise you guys that $150 is worth it. So I need this because it's finished.
Up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Busy with my monthly budget, but this guy here is a problem. When it comes to pen and paper, he's a problem. He just wants to write everything. So I gave him his own book. I have my own book and paper here for my monthly budget.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you.
Your pen, there's your pen and paper. Hi, boo. No, you can't have. You can't have. No. There's your pen and paper. Here's your pen and paper.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees.
Here's your pen. Strong. It's writing now, Strong.
Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll fix it. Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong.
Excuse me. Are you happy now? Natty. Are you happy? Are you happy? Happy? Are you happy? Are you happy now? Happy? You wanna you see why I don't wanna give you a writing pen, because you write everything and every way. He has written his legs, he has written Yo, my bedding is full of writing. That's the reason why I don't like giving him a writing pen. Let me show you what he has written.
Fools like them, they search me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I send him my devotion. And so
I have decided to leave him to my bed. Yeah, just leave him in peace to write whatever he wants to write, just hoping and praying he doesn't write my bedding, because all my beddings have ink now because of him. So I'm just gonna finish up my monthly budget, watch some YouTube and relax for the day.
oh, can you even let me get that close? Baby, before you color me, boy, I know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, I know the read your mind. Do you love yourself? Baby, before you color me, boy, I know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, I know the read your mind. Do you love yourself?
When your budget is more than your salary, what do you call that? What do you call that? You know what? Let me end this vlog here because thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like, comment, share. Road to 500 subscribers. Actually, I need 500 more. 500 rands more into my budget. Oh, wow. Have kids, they say. Grow up, they said. Work, they said. Yeah, ne? Yeah. I can't believe we really wished to be adults. Like, I really cannot believe I wished to be an adult. Like, I cannot believe it. Unbelievable. Yo, things we wish